Getting your baby to sleep well can be tough. Babies do best with a routine. A regular sleep schedule helps them sleep longer, wake up happy, and stay healthy. Here are some simple and effective ways to create a baby sleep routine that works. Try to put your baby to bed at the same time every night. Consistency helps their internal clock know when it's time to sleep. A short, calming routine like a bath, gentle massage, or reading a story tells your baby that it's almost bedtime. Doing the same steps every night helps them feel safe and relaxed. Over time, your baby will start to recognize these signals and fall asleep more easily. Pay attention to signs your baby is tired, such as rubbing their eyes or becoming fussy, and put them to bed before they become overtired. Catching these cues early helps your baby fall asleep faster and sleep more peacefully. Regular daytime naps help prevent overtiredness, which can make nighttime sleep harder. Short, consistent naps keep your baby rested and happier throughout the day. Avoid letting naps go too long or too late, so bedtime stays smooth and easy. A full tummy helps your baby sleep longer. Try feeding them shortly before bedtime to keep them comfortable and satisfied. This can reduce nighttime wake-ups and help them settle more easily. Make sure your baby is dressed appropriately for the temperature. Being too hot or too cold can disturb their sleep. Choose light layers in warm rooms and cozy layers in cooler rooms to keep them comfortable all night. Give your baby a chance to fall asleep on their own. This helps them learn to settle back down if they wake up at night. Avoid rushing in at the first sound of fussing, and give them a few minutes to try self-soothing. Over time, this builds their confidence and helps them sleep longer stretches. Try to have your baby sleep in the same place every night. Familiar surroundings help them feel safe and secure. A consistent sleep space also makes it easier for your baby to settle and stay asleep. Snoobear white noise machine helps babies fall asleep faster and stay asleep by playing soothing womb-like sounds. It can automatically respond if your baby fusses, blocks sudden noises, and becomes part of a consistent bedtime routine. Its soft, cuddly design makes it comforting, and it's portable for naps or travel. Keep activities calm and quiet in the hour leading up to bedtime. Avoid loud play, screen time, or exciting toys. Gentle activities like reading, soft music, or cuddling help your baby relax and get ready for sleep. A peaceful environment sets the tone for a smooth bedtime routine. With consistency, calm environments, and gentle guidance, your baby can learn healthy sleep habits that support growth and development.